Welcome everybody to KBC. Thanks for coming. Thank you to all of you who did amazing work. There's too many to name to make this a reality. It was not so long ago, less than a year ago, we were walking around this space and we were trying to pick the next space for Warsaw. Congratulations to everybody. This is for all of us, a great space. I hope everybody likes the space. And you know, it was like, this is our second big ribbon cutting for me. Astrum was the first one we did 5 years ago. And now KBC, and we're on to the next thing. So thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Congratulations on your customer success and on to filling that building, right, in 3 shifts.